Hi there. Welcome back to Technical Tips. I'm Robert. Today we're diving into part 2 of our name separation series in Excel. In part 1, we separated full names into first, middle, and last names. The middle name could contain 0, 1, or more names. Check out the video link to view part 1 of the video. In part 2, we will take this a step further and explore how to separate prefixes from the full name, like Mr. or Mrs., or suffixes like senior or junior. This is important because these affixes could confuse the processing of your name list. All right, let's use this list of names that includes several first and last names, a random number of middle names, and a variety of prefixes and suffixes. A formula in each column of the table separates out each component of the full name. Let's start with prefixes and suffixes, and then we'll explore the first, middle, and last names. The first step is identifying a list of all possible prefixes and suffixes. We use tables to contain these lists. Tables can expand as needed in the future without modifying the underlying column formulas. It is important to note that these are named tables, so they can be easily referenced within the column formulas. Check out this link to another video describing the benefits of tables versus regular lists or ranges. Let's look at the prefix formula. Although it's not necessary to understand each detail of the formula, I will provide an overview of its operation. Then, you will be better prepared to modify the formula if necessary for your unique situation. This formula will compare the entire prefix table with the beginning of the full name. The left function ensures that we only look at the leftmost characters to match. The SUMPRODUCT function becomes greater than 0 only if a prefix match is found. If a prefix matches, then the TEXTSPLIT and take functions display the first word of the full name, which is the prefix. Looking at the suffix formula, you will see that it is almost identical to the prefix formula. The only difference is that we look at the rightmost characters to match the suffix table, rather than the leftmost. If a suffix matches, we display the last word of the full name, which is the suffix. The first, middle, and last name formulas are similar to what we covered in part 1 of this video, so you can check out that video for more details. However, these formulas have been modified to take into account whether a suffix or prefix alters where each specific name component is located within the full name. Again, you don't need to know how these formulas work, except how to modify them to reference the correct columns in your spreadsheet. I'll copy all these formulas into the description below for reference. And there you have it. You can now easily separate full names into their first, middle, and last name components, including prefixes and suffixes, making your Excel spreadsheets more organized and functional. I hope this video has inspired you to manage names in your Excel worksheets. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and check out part 1 of this topic, or some of these other videos for more tips and tricks. Also, comment below with what you'd like to learn next. Thanks for watching.